This is one of the buzziest and most collectible computer products of the year, the ASUS Z13 KJP Edition. It's part of a collaboration between ASUS and Kojima Productions, the company of legendary game designer Hideo Kojima. And now that I've gotten a chance to spend a few weeks with the Kojima-flavored Z13, I can say it's an incredibly capable high-end machine, albeit one for a very niche audience. What's most surprising is that this is not a pure gaming machine. If anything, it's better suited for high-end AI work thanks to the AMD Ryzen AI MAX 395 CPU and a staggering 128 gigs of RAM. For graphics, it relies on the integrated Radeon 8060S, which turns in some very good gaming scores despite not being a discrete class GPU. If you're not familiar with the Z13, it's a premium Windows tablet with a kickstand and a keyboard folio cover. But every element of the physical design has gotten a massive upgrade to this Kojima-themed version. The base unit is CNC milled aluminum with carbon fiber accents, making for a rugged but lightweight chassis. The original Z13 was mostly black and gray, while the KJP edition upgrades that with gold accents and tons of small text and design details, all of which make it feel like a sci-fi movie prop. The kickstand remains a highlight, able to easily hold any angle, and it's now in a muted gold with some world-building text and iconography hiding underneath it. As the Z13 is primarily a tablet, it's paired with a folio keyboard cover. The keyboard cover also has a Kojima-style visual upgrade with bold white keys set against a black tray and the all-important WASD keys set aside in gold. The screen is a 13.4-inch 2.5K touchscreen IPS panel, and it's got a 16:10 aspect ratio, so you've got vertical headroom for productivity, and the glossy finish makes colors in games and movies pop. The 180Hz refresh rate makes it quick enough for all but the most demanding competitive gamers. And of course, the Kojima name means anyone buying this product will be interested in gaming. For example, in Cyberpunk 2077, the game ran at about 30 frames per second at my usual settings of ray-traced medium with FSR turned on and frame generation turned off. Tweaking the settings a bit to medium, no ray tracing with frame generation turned on, and the score jumped to 55 frames per second. But the Ryzen AI MAX CPU and 128 gigs of shared memory make the Z13 more of an AI workstation than a pure gaming machine, and with that much available RAM, you can run some very hefty models on it. In the end, the Z13 KJP Edition is a unique combination of gaming system, AI workstation, and gaming collectible that's going to appeal to fans of Hideo Kojima's work or just anyone interested in high-end hardware with a twist. If you want to check out the Z13 Kojima Productions Edition in person, you can find it at your local microcenter. And if you don't have a microcenter near you, why don't you leave a comment with the hashtag #IWantAMicrocenter near me.